Hi, in this video you will learn how to design banner, YouTube thumbnails and any other kind of graphic work without installing any software like Photoshop. You have to go web browser and write here pixlr.com and then go to the option playful pixel art, click on it. Here is the option available: history, create new, stop search, and you have to click on create new. Here's another options about your banner size in the type of length and width, and you have to select according to your requirements. And I just select full HD. You can give the name. Click on create. Now here is a tool available, different tools like if you want to add images, you want to click here, and if you want to text and other kind of option available here, crop, cut, adjust the brightness and so on, effects like this. I have to click add image. You can add image from your computer, like you can browse the images, you can give the URL and you can pick from stock. I just click on start. Here I will give the name related to which you want to search, like I am working on web, so I will give the web designing. Click on it. There is a different option available. Select I want to select this one, and now this will load it, and I will add to front. When click on it, this image will add it to our. Now background image is added here. We can zoom out it to fit according to our screen. Just drag it and make it fit on our pen. Yes, now just adjust it. Okay, now this is a layer. You can add more layer here. If you want to change something, right click on it and change the transparency of this, and you can see the transparency reduces. So if you want to add some text here, just click on it, text, add new text. Now you can tag it. I can write how to create you can adjust this text according to your requirement. I'm just click enter to make it more easy to use. And okay, now it is looking better. You can change the text style, make it bold, and more other style you can select here. Here you can adjust the size and just set Arial. Okay, now you can increase the size of text from here. You can see, make it better. You can increase the line space from here and so on. Here is a different option also available, like outline this text that is more visible. You can change the color of outline, even though you can increase the size of outline and so you can visible the shadow. The shadow means the text shadow. You can increase the vertical. You can see here the shadow is increasing, and you can also increase the shadow size. So now it's looking more beautiful. You can change the shadow color also. Now I want to add a little bit new images. I just click on browse and select from my computer icon images. Like I want to add a YouTube image. I want to just click on it and add. I want to add it in the current. I want to add it here. I can increase the size of it, and so many other options available. You can now time to save this. Just click on it and the select, just name it and download. You can download this image from here. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Like and subscribe my channel and for more interesting videos. Thank you.